Hey, a lot of you are asking, how long does an AC last? Well, that's a complicated question. I've seen systems die in 4 or 5 years. I've seen them last 30 to 40 years. In reality, the older the system, the more reliable and the longer lasting it would be. Back in the day, they made them like tanks, really inefficient, but really reliable. These days we have a lot of efficiency, but there's more technology and the refrigerant is higher pressure, so we get more repairs and a shorter system life. The average we're seeing today on the newer systems is about 10 to 15 years. Now that is going to vary based on the climate that you live in. So if you're up in Wisconsin and you barely use your air conditioner 3 days a year, well, it's probably going to live a really long time. Now if you're down in Tucson, Vegas, Phoenix, 10 to 15 years is the average. Most people are saying about 11 now. So if you have a 20 to 30-year-old system and you're expecting the new one to do that, probably not going to happen, which is why warranty is so important. So one of the things that we do for our customers is we give an extended warranty because it saves them a whole bunch of money on the back end.